Hey guys, welcome to another portfolio update on Budget with a July Dreamer. My name is Miranda, and on this channel I share everything personal finance. I cover budgeting, saving and investing. If these topics are of interest to you, then please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get into today's video. I'm going to be sharing with you my portfolio update, my Vanguard portfolio update, and I would like to look at the numbers from the last time I shared a video and where we are today at the time of filming this video. So it has been almost 3 months since I filmed a Vanguard portfolio update for both the ISA and the SIP, and in today's video I will be looking at my investments in the last 3 months also, and then just seeing where we are. I did say in my December update that moving forward I would just be filming these portfolio updates every quarter, sometimes a little bit more, but every quarter is what I think I will be doing most of the time. So on my iPad, normally I film on my laptop, but on my iPad I'll be doing a screen record of my portfolio so you can see what I am looking at, and then here I have just written down the notes of what I want to talk about. So first things first, my update for the ISA in December, my ISA value was 19,019 pounds and 29 pence. That was how much my portfolio was. It was actually down, and I believe I had an unrealized loss of about 60 pounds or thereabouts. And I say unrealized because if I had sold, then I would have actually lost that money, but because I didn't lose anything. It was just, it was just down because the stock market does go up and down. So that was my ISA value in December of 2023. So now we're going to move to or March 2023 and look at my ISA value. Now before I do that, I just want to say my personal rate of return in December was 2.3% since I opened the account. And I have always said this before, but personal rate of return takes in account a lot of variables. So I just look at it for fun. If I'm honest, I don't actually look at it to be like, oh, the stock market is retaining me 6% or 5% or 1%. I just look at it for fun. So over 19,000 pounds in December. I'm going to do a screen record so I can show you where we are right now with the ISA. So screen record has started. With the ISA, my current ISA value at the time of filming this video is 20,371 pence. So you can see that there's definitely been an increase there. I can't do quick maths. I do have my trusted mobile here with me. So I'm just going to do a calculation. So we are at 2370 or 1 minus 19,019 and 29, so that is apparently 1,350 and 72 pence. So we're still going to take this with a pinch of salt because this is not how much my account has grown by, because I have actually added in money into this portfolio. So in January, I believe I sent, I want to say 500. So if we minus 500, that brings it down to 850 and 72 pence. And then in the month of February, I also did, I think, 500 pounds. So that will bring it up down to 350 and 72 pence. At the time of filming this video, I haven't yet added anything to my ISA. So I am trying to assume that my account in the last 3 months has grown about over 300 pounds. But again, I could be right, I could be wrong, who knows. But also this does include, I should say, does include the dividends that I earned, and I think I earned about 60 pounds. So in actuality, it's just under 300 pounds that I have earned. Well, my account has grown by since the last time I gave you an update. So ISA allowance in the UK, We have an ISA allowance of £20,000. I have £14,150 left to use up. My investments, the largest holding that I have is the Global All Cap Index Fund, and my personal rate of return is plus 5.03%. Last time I gave you an update was 2.3%, so obviously definitely an improvement there. So if we go into the investments, I still have the same 5 funds. 3 of them are ETFs and 2 of them are accumulation funds. Nothing much has changed here. Like I said, I have added in money in January and in February, plus the dividends that I earned. So this is why my portfolio obviously has grown, but we are at 20,317.21 pence, and my portfolio has grown by 249.40 pence, which is pretty good and not too far off the number that I just read out to you guys. So this is what my portfolio is doing with respect to the ISA. Now let us look at the SIP. The SIP is self-invested personal pension. With my pension, my last update to you guys was in November, and at that time my portfolio was 11,663.41 pence. That's how much my portfolio was for the SIP. So I'm gonna just change the view here to pension. And with the pension, we are at 12,194.10 pence. I'm going to use a calculator again to see the difference here. So 12,194.10 minus where we were in November, that is 11,663.41. So that is £530.69 growth according to the calculator. But if we remove, I want to say £200, because I put £100 every single month, that says £330, but I'm not really sure if that's how much my account has grown by. As we can see, it's actually dropped. Right now it's saying I have an unrealized loss of £253.80, but it's still grown from November. So right now it's 12,194.10 pence. Last time when I filmed, we were at 11,663.41 pence. So the difference is obviously there. I can see my portfolio growing, but obviously when I come in and I see the reds, I'm just like, oh, my portfolio. But I don't look at it every day. I look at it every week. But this is just because I like to record numbers in my net worth tracker. This is just my personal thing, but I'm still happy with what I have with respect to my portfolio. And you know, I'm a long-term investor and my portfolio will just keep on growing and I'll just keep on adding more money. My intention is to continue investing for the next 40 years or plus, God willing. But yeah, so at the end of 2022, my portfolio value was 30,682.70 pence approximately. At the time of filming this video, I'm just going to show portfolio. It is at 32,514.10 pence. Definitely seen a lot of growth, which I'm super happy about. And you know, I should have said this at the beginning, I'm not a financial advisor, so everything I say, please take it with a pinch of salt. But I am happy with the investments that I have made so far. I believe in the investments that I am making and I'll continue investing in the same funds. So with my pension, I am funding my 2045 targeted retirement fund, and then for my ISAs, I've got 5 funds. You know, S&P 500 is there, global fund is there. I've got the UK FTSE 100, I've got the high dividend one, I've got emerging markets as well. So I feel very comfortable with the types of investments that I have chosen. This is not to say that what I'm doing you should be doing too. No, do your own personal research like I did, like everybody else does, and then make your own sound decision based on the research that you do, or based on the financial advisor if you have one that you speak to. But yeah, so that is all I wanted to share with respect to my Vanguard portfolio update for the month of March 2023. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.